Bulalo on a rainy day is just what we need. Kakagaling lang namin ito sa Legazpi and we stopped by at Inos Bulalo House to have our lunch. And take note, they are open for 25 hours. Pwede pa lang open ng 25 hours. So ang setup nila is like a turo-turo or karinderya style and they are located at Bulabog, Sorsogon. So if you're headed to Sorsogon from Legazpi, makikita mo ang sign ng Inos na nasa right side siya, beside the road. And imposibleng hindi mo sila makita kasi sila lang naman ang eatery sa part na yon. Ang dinadaya talaga dito is yung bulalo nila, especially na rainy season pa rin. Bulalo hits different kapag maulan. You can order bulalo for 500 pesos and it's good for 2 to 3 person na. And aside sa bulalo, they offer a wide range ulam you can choose from. Like pork adobo, Bicol Express, humba, ginisang ampalaya sa itlog, ginataang isda, sisig, dinuguan, at marami pang iba. So kung bigla kayong nagutom habang nasa biyahe papuntang Sorsogon, you can try Inos Bulalo House at hindi kayo magsisisi. You can check out their Facebook page for more details. And don't forget to like, share, and follow for more videos.